To work and to make money is not always the same. How to combine earnings, communication, and leave enough time? I'll explain to you within the next minute. I will introduce you to the opportunities that the company Who Trades offers. First, let me tell you a couple of words about Who Trades. Who Trades is a part of Global Investment Holding, counting more than 200,000 clients worldwide. Also, Who Trades runs Traders' social network with traders from more than 40 countries, communicating in 26 different languages. With Who Trades, I get direct access to all the world's leading platforms and to the Forex market. Secondly, I can chat with other traders around the world who can give you valuable trading advice or just discuss the latest trade deals. Hello, can you tell me please how you earned 10% on the euro dollar?
With Who Trades, I can work on the Forex market, where daily transactions amount to more than $4 trillion. Right here, I can see all the graphs and I can analyze the market and make an order. I do it all without stopping to communicate with my colleagues and friends through a simple web interface.
Who Trades provides a wide range of powerful tools. You can use the world's most popular terminal, MetaTrader 4, which gives you a complete set of tools to work on the Forex market and CFD. In addition to the Forex market, through Who Trades, you have direct access to US and European markets.
To improve your results, you will find the best traders and will be able to follow their trades. This saves time and increases profit. It is easier to achieve and get a better result by working with other traders together.
A unique social network Who Trades for traders who work and make money. We offer you the easiest way to earn money for any purpose. Join now.